Hey everyone, welcome back to your Wednesday weather. Mike Schultz with you once again, and today we had cloud cover and warm temperatures. In fact, temperatures near 30 degrees across the interior. We were not expecting that, but boy, it was sure nice. Of course, the roads are getting kind of slick too. And in fact, our weather tonight, we'll talk about the very little change happening through the weekend. And of course, the roads are becoming very slick, as I said. And the final thing we're going to talk about, air quality has improved so much that we have no air quality alert. That's nice to pass along. Let's go right to our map and show you what's going on here. Again, everything coming out of the southeast, huge area of circulation counterclockwise, helping to bring, once again, lots of clouds and moisture down to the south of the Alaska Range, but nothing is breaking through the Alaska Range, so we're just looking at high level clouds, and that's about it. Now the rest of the map looks like this. Again, we're talking about rain falling across southeast Alaska, almost 50 degrees there at Ketchikan. Not a bad day in Juneau, although some sprinkles, 43 degrees. Still some rain and mixed rain snow around the Anchorage Bowl, 37 degrees there. Cloudy skies at Kodiak, 43. Little rain falling at Cold Bay, 35 degrees. On the other side, Bethel at 24, lots of sunshine, and it's mostly cloudy skies at Nome and 24. And Barrow, 5 degrees above zero in the middle of January, actually the latter part of January, unheard of, and 16 degrees today at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, well, we'll talk about temperatures, and again, you can see there are some showers over the Pacific Northwest, Seattle at 58 degrees, Salt Lake City 37, 52 degrees in Denver. Not too bad at Dallas, a little chilly, 56 degrees there. Over the eastern side of the country, we're looking at 33 at Chicago, New Orleans 55, some rain and thunderstorms. In fact, a tornado reported near Fort Lauderdale this morning. Around the, like I said, in the Fort Lauderdale area, all associated with the frontal system, and New York at 46. Speaking of the frontal system, you can see that draped across the Florida Peninsula. That's what brought the severe weather there. And the rest of the states looking pretty good. A little bit of a frontal boundary moving down from Canada, and then more rain moving across the Pacific Northwest. And some of that might make its way into Southern California. Now, as far as the storm that is over the Pacific Northwest, it's pushing in, so the rain will be gradually tapering off around parts of Washington and Oregon. And the overall jet stream, the new jet stream, looking at, again, mostly zonal coverage from the west to the east, although a little bit of a rise there, bringing milder temperatures. That's what the red arrows are indicating. Warmer air coming in there. So things will start thawing out very nicely over the northeast. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. Once again, the kids are this week from Two Rivers Elementary School. Tonight, a young man has a question about dust devils.
Hi, I'm Taven, and I'm in Miss Clayton's 4th and 5th grade class. Today, my question for Miss the Weatherman is, how do dust devils start?
Taven, dust devils look like tornadoes, but they aren't. They're actually just a very, very small scale circulation made by the heat being warmer in one area than the other area, and that helps to rise and cause a little bit of circulation in the air. And then once you get going, you get a little bit of a small scale, looks like a tornado, but not quite as strong. But still, don't even think about going inside those, because there's a lot of dust and things flying around that could get in your eyes. So keep that in mind. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And tomorrow night, the teacher's going to be here with a interesting weather fact about winds in the Antarctic area. Okay, our forecast for tomorrow for the northern sections, chance of snow for Barrow and Fort Yukon. A little snow is likely in the Nome area, maybe a couple inches possibly. Over the interior, looking at partly cloudy skies for Fairbanks and mostly cloudy skies at Delta Junction. Maybe some light snow shower activity in the Healy region. Over southeast Alaska, the mild temperatures continue. Another nice day in Ketchikan, 45 degrees, showers there, also showers in Juneau. And over the southwest part of the state, we'll be looking at mixed showers for Cold Bay. Strong winds are expected with rain in the Kodiak region, and a chance of snow for Bethel. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, we're looking at mixed showers for Anchorage, rain and snow for Valdez, and rain expected for Homer. And once again, our temperatures, look at the high today, 29 degrees. The low last night, 4 degrees. The record high, 39 in 1945. 58 below in 1933. Your sunrise and sunset, 6 hours and 22 minutes. That's a gain of another 6 minutes from yesterday. And the forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy, but temperatures very warm, 10 degrees above zero. Normally the overnight low is 17 below, so we're really warm. And tomorrow's forecast, again, 20 degrees, partly cloudy, and the 5-day outlook doesn't stop, folks. Look at those 20s all the way across the board. Overnight lows will also be very warm in the single digits to the low teens. And our picture for tonight, another great one. This one's sent in by a viewer in Northway, Carla Dimmitt, able to capture some really cool texture in the clouds there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com.